We talk money matters because money matters. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sanders Financial, where we talk money matters because money matters. I'm your host, Ladarius Sanders. In today's episode, we're actually going to talk about real estate.
I'm in a real estate and a real estate of mind.
I had someone reach out to me and say, Ladarius, what are the different type of residential properties that I could possibly invest in? So I named the three most popular ones: mobile homes, single family, and multifamily. With multifamily properties, you're dealing with duplexes, triplexes, or even fourplexes. We also refer to them as doors. Doors could be one door, meaning a single family. 2 doors would be a duplex. 3 doors would be a triplex. 4 doors would be a fourplex. So you can also refer to them as doors versus saying plex. It doesn't matter. They all mean the same thing. So anytime you have more than 4 doors, it's considered commercial property. So if you have one unit with 5 doors, then it's considered commercial property. And you can't get a normal residential loan. You have to get a commercial loan. Commercial loans are more costly. You have to have larger down payments. They're great investments, don't get me wrong. I'm just telling you that it's a little bit more difficult to get into the commercial versus the traditional lending that you could get. When I say traditional, I'm referring to like conventional lending, but I could do a whole nother video about the different type of loans you can get with those type of properties. Now with the single family, they're your 1-door units. That means it's one single family lives in this house. Get it? Single family. Multifamily means your cousins could have their family next door to you, and you have the door next door to them. So 2 families in 1 unit. That's multiple families. Single family homes are the easiest to get financed. The interest rates are lower on single families, and the down payments are lower. 5%, 10%. You can get FHA loan, 20% down if it's going to be investment property. But if you get a multiple family unit, you have to put 25% down as a minimum as a down payment, just to show the difference. Then you have the mobile homes. A lot of banks won't even finance mobile homes, and you don't own the land on a mobile home. You can own it, but you don't have to own the land. With a single family house, you gotta have the land because it's on the property, if that makes any sense. You can't pick up a house and move it. Actually, you can pick up a house and move it, but I don't recommend it. I've seen some historical homes where they actually chainsaw, cut the homes in pieces and move it. But then there's modular homes out there. But modular homes aren't very popular. So with mobile homes do not appreciate in value. They actually depreciate in value. So a mobile home, aka trailers, you ever heard of trailer park? The point is, with a mobile home, you can actually pick it up and you can move it, you can take it to different places, but it depreciates in value. Some people invest in mobile homes. It's totally up to you. It's not in my portfolio, but they do not appreciate in value. So if you buy a mobile home, it's going to be worth less money over time. If you buy a single family house, they typically appreciate. So they're going to be worth more money over time. I like to invest in things that's going to appreciate and have more money over time. And you don't have to own the land. You can own the mobile home and go to a trailer park and pay rent and move your mobile home, take wherever you want to go. Think of like an RV that just stays put for a long time. And that's essentially the difference there. A lot of people invest in mobile home parks where you actually own the mobile home park and you charge rents to everyone to park their mobile homes on your lots. That's a huge cash cow people are taking advantage of. That's just also an option. So if you're going to invest in real estate, think about it. Do you want to invest in mobile homes? Do you want to invest in single family houses? Or do you want to invest in multifamily houses? There's a lot of pros and cons to all of these that I just don't have time to get into on this one video, but I just wanted you to understand the difference between those different type of properties. And I did mention modular homes that are out there. Also, single family homes, they can be constructed in brick, right? So they call them block, or they can be called stick, which is basically wood frame. So stick means wood frame. I hope that was helpful. Please share this video with as many people as you can. I'm Ladarius Sanders from the Sanders Financial, where we talk money matters because money matters. And I hope you've enjoyed this segment about real estate. Thank you so much for watching. Please share.
We talk money matters because money matters.